Now, everyone, look on the floor. Look for Amanda.
I've got her.
Here she is. There she isn't.
Over here. This way.
Quick!
No.
Oh, I'm sure she's here. There's something here. Oh, yes, here she is.
Corvax, we can't see her. Do something, Corvax. I can't do anything. The baby's got my box.
Corvax has got lots of other things here. What do you mean? Look, press that switch. Turn that handle. My goodness.
Look at that.
Stop it. You mustn't do that.
One of these with one of these. This to this. These in here. That's it. There.
Amanda! Amanda!
Hello, Mummy. Hello, Daddy.
Whoopee!
Lovely.
Wonderful! Hooray! Whoopee! Whoopee!
Darling.
Wonderful! Wonderful! Wonderful!
What am I going to do?
Oh, stupid.
Where am I going to go?
Clever.
What are they going to do?
But you were stupid.
Why did I do it? Why?
It's all your fault.
This is our new clock. We finished it yesterday.
3 cheers for the new clock.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
This is our new clock.
Listen to its sound.
That was our new clock.
It's going round and round. This is our new clock.
We're going to go inside.
Now we're inside the clock.
It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.